Black Pearl Audio Papers presents
Section 7. Conclusion. The goal of this account of causation in science has been to reconcile two apparently incompatible circumstances. On the one hand, causes play no fundamental role in our mature science. Those sciences are not manifestly about causation, and they harbor no universally valid principle of causality. On the other hand, the actual practice of science is thoroughly permeated with causal talk. Science is often glossed as the search for causes, and poor science or superstition is condemned because of its supposed failure to conform to a vaguely specified principle of causality. I have argued that we can have causes in the world of science in the same way as we can retain the caloric. There is no caloric in the world. Heat is not a material substance. However, in many circumstances, heat behaves just as if it were a material fluid, and it can be very useful to think of heat this way. It is the same with cause and effect. At a fundamental level, there are no causes and effects in science, and no overarching principle of causality. However, in appropriately restricted domains, our science tells us that the world behaves just as if it conformed to some sort of folk theory of causation, such as the one outlined above. We should expect these folk theories to be sketchy. We would not expect them to conjure up the exceptionless explication of causation that continues to elude the present philosophical literature. They serve their purpose, however, if they capture what it is we seek when we fit causal conceptions to some process, even if they preserve the vaguenesses of our practice. This concludes Causation as Folk Science by John D. Norton. Please stay tuned for more science and philosophy papers presented to you by Black Pearl Audio Papers. Thank you for listening.